Hello friends, I'm Dr. Victory. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great, practicing healthy lifestyle. Today's topic is on nausea and vomiting. So what is nausea? Nausea is feeling an urge to vomit, or you can say it's an uneasiness or discomfort feeling in the stomach that a person is about to vomit. Now about vomiting. Vomiting is also known as throwing up or emesis. If there is severe vomiting, then you say as hyperemesis, like in the case of hyperemesis gravidarum, that is severe vomiting during pregnancy, especially in the first trimester. Now, vomiting is actually involuntary, forceful expulsion of the stomach content through the stomach and sometimes through the nose. Now, usually what happens is nausea occur first, then followed by vomiting. Nausea occur first, followed by vomiting, but in some cases the person can have nausea even without vomiting. They have nausea but they cannot vomit, and in some cases the person vomit out suddenly without having nausea. Nausea and vomiting are actually symptoms. They are not diseases. They are symptoms of many different diseases, like if you see in the case of GIT, in the case of food poisoning, in the case of food allergies like lactose intolerance, person have nausea and vomiting. Others are gastritis, gastroenteritis, then because of any obstruction in the bowel, because of ileus, because of pancreatitis, because of hepatitis, because of peritonitis, cholecystitis, because of pyloric stenosis, indigestion, overeating. These are the condition of GIT diseases where the person have nausea and vomiting. In the brain, if you see in the case of CNS, the person has nausea and vomiting from brain injury, brain tumor, increased intracranial pressure, because of meningitis, because of encephalitis, because of cerebral hemorrhage. Other conditions, if you see, then in the case of pregnancy, vomiting during pregnancy, also in the case of vertigo, in the case of motion sickness like car sickness, air sickness, seasickness, because of hangover, because of intense pain, because of smelling certain odor, because of exposure to certain chemicals. In the case of heart attack, person can have nausea and vomiting. So these are the diseases where the person has nausea and vomiting as symptoms. So that was about nausea and vomiting. Now let's see some of the important homeopathic medicines. Coming to the homeopathic part, here I've come up with 10 most effective homeopathic medicine for nausea and vomiting that will definitely bring cure. Our medicines are very safe. They are very good for old people as well as for children, also for people of all ages. As I said, our medicine do not have any kind of side effect. Also, it helps to boost immunity as well as health. So let's begin with the medicines. The first one is Ipecac in 30 potency. Indications are for clean tongue, moist mouth, increased salivation, for constant nausea and vomiting, vomiting of bile, of food, of mucus, also for gastroenteritis. The method of giving the medicine is, it depends, the dose of the medicine depends on the frequency of the complaint. If it is very severe, right, if nausea and vomiting is very severe, in that case you have to give this medicine every half an hourly till the complaint disappears. Or if it is moderate, then you have to give this medicine every 2 hourly till the complaint disappears. And if it is mild, just give this medicine twice or thrice a day without water on empty stomach. Whenever you give the medicine, you have to put 1 drop of the medicine in the mouth without water on empty stomach, right? So if it is severe, take the medicine every half an hourly till the complaint disappear. If it is moderate, in that case, if the complaint is moderate, in that case, take this medicine every 2 hourly till the complaint disappears. And if the complaint is mild, in that case, take this medicine thrice or twice a day. Right, twice a day, that is morning and evening, or thrice a day, morning, afternoon, evening, till the complaint disappears. Right, Ipecac is a very good medicine. You will get the result within 2 to 3 hours or in less than a day. Next important medicine is Arsenicum album in 30 potency. Indications are they have got nausea and vomiting from seeing the food as well as from smelling the food. Nausea and vomiting from sight and smell of the food. Nausea and vomiting from eating or drinking. They have got thirst for small quantity of water at frequent interval. Thirst for small quantity of water at frequent intervals. Also a very good medicine for gastroenteritis. They are also very good for complaints from eating vegetable diet, complaints from eating fruit containing water or water containing fruits like watermelon. It's also a very good medicine for food poisoning. They vomit food, bile, mucus, black-brown matter mixed with blood. They may even vomit blood. So this was about Arsenicum album in 30 potency. Method of taking the medicine is same as I've explained for the first medicine. Next important medicine is Nux vomica in 30 potency. Nux vomica is another wonderful medicine for nausea and vomiting after eating. Nausea and vomiting from indigestion, from overeating. They has got nausea. Sometimes what happens is they have nausea but they cannot vomit. Nausea without vomiting. Right? They have bitter and sour eructation. They vomit sour things. They vomit sour things. Acid rises from the stomach. So that's another wonderful medicine for gastroenteritis as well. Method of taking the medicine is again same as the other previous medicines. Fourth important medicine is Natrum Phos in 6x or 12x potency. Now Natrum Phos is a biochemic medicine. It comes in a tablet form. Indications are for nausea and vomiting with sour eructation, nausea and vomiting with sour vomiting, acid rises from the stomach just like Nux vomica. Now the method of taking the medicine is, in this case, you have to take 2 tablets at a time. Instead of taking, here as I said, it's a biochemic medicine, so it comes in a tablet form. So whenever you take, you have to take it 2 tablets at a time. Just keep 2 tablets in the mouth and chew it without water on empty stomach. Here also the same. If nausea and vomiting is very severe, in that case you can take this medicine 2 tablets every half an hourly till the complaint disappear. If the complaint is moderate, take 2 tablets every 2 hourly without water on empty stomach. And if it is mild, if the condition is mild, you can take this medicine twice or thrice a day, same as the above medicines. So that was about Natrum Phos in 6x or 12x potency. So the next important medicine is Veratrum album in 30 potency. Indications are they feel thirsty for large quantity of water, especially cold water. They feel thirsty for large quantity of water, especially for cold water, and as soon as they drink it, they vomit. As soon as the water is swallowed, they vomit. They has got nausea and vomiting, profuse and violent retching and vomiting with cramps in the extremities. So this was about Veratrum album. The method of taking the medicine is same as the other previous medicines. Next important medicine is Athusa in 30 potency. Athuza is one of the best medicine for children who has lactose intolerance. Children who cannot digest milk, they vomit whenever milk is being taken. So as soon as milk is taken, they vomit out, and the vomited milk looks like a curd. The child has nausea and vomiting at the sight of the food. Also very good for lactose intolerance. Again, the method of taking the medicine is again same as the other previous medicines. Next important medicine is Symphorecarpus racemosa in 30 potency. Indications are, this is one of the best medicine for nausea and vomiting during pregnancy, for hyperemesis gravidarum. They has got fecal appetite, they has got bitter taste in the mouth, aversion to all kinds of food, they have got gastric disturbances, persistent nausea and vomiting. So again, the method of taking the medicine is same as the above medicines. Next important medicine is colchicum in 30 potency. Colchicum is another great medicine for nausea and vomiting during pregnancy. The pregnant lady, they craves for many things, but when given, just by smelling the food, they doesn't want to have anything, right? They has got complaint from smell of the food, especially fish. They cannot tolerate the smell of the fish at all. So whenever they smells any kind of food, they start getting nausea and vomiting, especially when they smell fish, they get the complaint. Also very good for bitter taste, increased salivation. So the method of taking this medicine is again same as the other previous medicines. Also in the case of colchicum, they has got complaint in the evening and also from any kind of motion. So the method of taking the medicine is same as the other previous medicines. Now the next important medicine is Cocculus in 30 potency. Cocculus is a very good medicine for motion sickness. It can be air sickness, it can be car sickness, it can be sea sickness. Again, the method of taking the medicine is same as the above previous medicine. Next one is, the last one is petroleum in 30 potency. Petroleum is another great medicine for motion sickness. In this, especially for car sickness and also for sea sickness. In the case of motion sickness, those who has got motion sickness, if they have to travel the next day, in that case they can take this medicine thrice a day, one day before they travel. I repeat again, if in case anyone has got traveling sickness or motion sickness, in that case they can take this medicine one day before their travel. Just take one drop of the medicine 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, evening, one day before their journey. They can also continue the medicine the next day as well if they still has the complaint. So that was the 10 most effective homeopathic medicine for nausea and vomiting that will definitely bring cure to the complaint. You will see the result within 2 to 3 hours or in just less than a day. They are great medicines. They do not have any kind of side effect. Friends, do not take all this medicine all together. You can only take one medicine at a time. In some conditions, you can also take 2 medicines alternately, but always consult a homeopathic physician nearby. Do not self-prescribe any of the medicines. That's all for today. If you have any queries, do let me know. If you want me to discuss on any other topic, do let me know. Kindly like, subscribe and share my channel. Friends, my next topic will be on obesity, tips on weight loss and its effective homeopathic medicine. Take care till then. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay at home. Take precautions. Bye.